Welcome to the era of FloatPod Pro. A decade ago, we began with a mission to unlock the full potential of human wellness through the transformative power of floatation therapy. What started as a pioneering vision, FloatPod, quickly became a sanctuary for thousands around the world. A space where the body could heal, the mind could rest, and the spirit could soar. As the world evolved, so did we. We imagined a future where floating wasn't just about escape, but about integration. About efficiency, about power and simplicity, and that future gave rise to FloatOS, a smart, seamless operating system designed to automate and elevate the float experience. With FloatOS, you unlock remote session scheduling and filtration control, real-time sensor alerts for temperature, leaks, and lid position, iPad-compatible interface for instant operation, 24/7 system monitoring, so you can focus on your clients, not your equipment. FloatOS offers users a hands-free experience. From setup to session, FloatOS gives you back your time, so you can focus on what truly matters. From your float spa or wellness center, to your staff, and most importantly, your customers, FloatOS supports every aspect of your operation. From daily management to security, we've got you covered. FloatOS Starter includes the Smart Hub, Control Switch, and temperature and leak sensors for real-time monitoring. FloatOS Plus builds on Starter, adding an iPad with the FloatOS Smart app pre-installed. FloatOS Max includes everything in Plus, along with professional installation for a seamless setup. We're excited for what's ahead, not just for FloatOS, but for the entire future of float therapy. With these powerful upgrades, we're confident you'll spend less time troubleshooting and more time doing what you love, creating life-changing experiences for your clients. The future of float therapy starts here. Go pro with FloatOS.